Greetings, friend. Timberlake here. I wanted to share this message with you for all the YouTube creators out there, or if you just like to comment on other YouTube videos. This is something I came across. Watch till the end. I got an exciting announcement concerning my channel, so I hope you stay tuned to the end. You don't want to miss this. All right, so let's get started. Ali Abdaal is one of my favorite YouTubers I like to follow. You can see I'm not alone, over 2 million subscribers. There's this nice little picture. If you click on this, you'll see, that's his channel. Okay, this is a good video about the millionaire fast lane method. I recommend that. I gave it a thumbs up. You'll notice down here that there's a pinned comment by Ali, and if you click on that, it'll go right to that channel I just showed you before. So that is legitimately Ali, right? And he's listing some stuff about, related to his channel and what you can do with it. Great. Now, if you keep going down into his comment section, you're going to find some other people that may or may not look like Ali. So keep scrolling down here in the comments, and I saw this one, Aryan Tawari. And you go to 5 replies, and what you'll see here, Ali Abdaal, Ali Abdaal, Ali Abdaal. And you notice there's 3 different ones. There's numbers on here. And I got a comment like this once. And I was like, wow, I made a pretty good comment on a video. I got a response. And it said, hey, message me. And I was like, wow, did Ali really want to message me? Maybe he wants me to do a collab or something? No, you click on here. And this person, whoever this is, it's not Ali, right? See, this has no channel. You go right here. Yeah, this person made this up October 13th. But they use Ali's picture. That's not okay. I don't want you to fall for this. So go into YouTube community guidelines. Is there something in the guidelines that covers this? Yeah, sure it is, right here. Spam and deceptive practices, impersonation. And if you go in here, you see, what is impersonation? Examples are channels with the same name and image as another channel. Maybe the difference being a space inserted in the name or a 0 replaced in the letter. Using someone else's real name, username, image, brand, logo, or other person. So that is impersonation. That person is impersonating. So what do you do if that happens? You please report it. So what I want to do here is show you. All right, so what can you do about it? You're going to report this person. How do you do that? Very simple. You find the comment. You click over here on these little dots, and it says report. Bam, you report it. Unwanted spam. You can look there, but it's unwanted commercial content or spam is probably what fits the best. And then what you'll notice is now this is going to disappear. So I'm going to get rid of you, spammer, impersonator. Boom, boom, boom. And you notice too that they put it in the 3 different comments. That was a phone number put together, probably on WhatsApp. Don't ever respond to those. And they're playing your ego thinking that, hey, I'm Ali. No, that person's not Ali. All right, let's move on to the next one. So same video, scrolling down a bit more, and Tomapet here makes a pretty nice comment. Listen to the book on Audible. Thanks for a great summary. It's good to refresh your memory. Nice. And then they get a reply, right? And the reply says, send me a direct message now with a WhatsApp. Does this have anything to do with what she had said? No. So what is this called? And going to WhatsApp is to another platform, right? So that's called spam, deceptive practice, and scam. Again, also in the community guidelines. And so what are you going to see? What's a spam? There's a whole video on it. But you go on here and you look at video spam. Content successfully posted, repetitive, or untargeted. That's one more fun. Promising viewers to see something that said directs them off site. It's clicks, views, or traffics off YouTube by promising viewers they'll make money fast. Send them to sites that spread harmful software, gather personal info from other sites. Misleading metadata thumbnails, scams. Okay, so all this comments where the sole purpose is to gather info from viewers, misleading them off of YouTube. So this person wants to get Tama's information. So send me the message. Now you're going to get the message from them. They're gathering info. That is a scam. Don't do it. So what I want to do, hey, I'm going to report you. And unfortunately, what they talked about there is repeated. So, and this isn't Ali's fault. He's just super popular. But there's a ton of people that come in here, see? And he has the numbers. And a lot of times these phone numbers change, but it's the same idea. It's the same person. And I don't have the time to go through hundreds of comments and report these people. But if you ever see this on your channel, report it. Get rid of these folks. It's a spam deceptive practice. Not cool at all. Now, I'm going to go to the next one. And this is unbelievable. So right below where I was, here you have Michael Thompson. And what he's talking about, Mrs. Anna is legit and her method works like magic. I keep on earning every single week with her new strategy. Does this have anything to do with all he was talking about with the Millionaire Next Door? Is it talking about the book at all? No. It's a normal person's name, Michael Thompson. 24 replies, 25 thumbs up. Wow. And so you go down here and you see these other names, expert, Mrs. Anna. She helped me recover what I lost, the trade. Williams John, okay, not John Williams, Williams John, expert, Mrs. Anna, really amazing skills. And then it keeps going. Wow, all these people know this Mrs. Anna. Talks about profit in US dollars. Again, if someone's from the US, they never say 24,000 US dollars, they just put 24,000. So what's going on? These people are all people, or accounts are all part of the same scheme. And then you say, oh, seeking for her contact details. Oh, here it is, WhatsApp with the special circles so that someone doesn't take this down, doesn't get flagged by YouTube. So let's go here. Let's check out Dave Johnson. I guarantee Dave Johnson has been on for maybe, less than a year, right? 2 subscribers. This is a fake account. You go to one of these other accounts like Clinton Grace or Grace Clinton. It's not even in the right time frame. 2 subscribers. Started this year. Right? So these people have just been on YouTube? No. A lot of times you'll see this where they're within the same month, like that Ali impersonator. And they have 2 subscribers because they have multiple accounts. And so they're going in and impersonating these folks, and then they're driving this whole sale about Expert Anna. It's a scam. Don't ever click on it. It falls under the spam, deceptive practice, and scam, and so you want to report that. What's interesting is they use multiple comments to try and create this thread that there's this actual Mrs. Anna who's doing investing, and it's just not true. In fact, I actually saw this on another channel. I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, and this is where this scam really came out at me, and I saw it. It was like just so blatant. I was watching this video, small creator, stocks for dividends, getting close to 1,000 subs. Video is pretty good. You should watch it. I recommend it. In fact, I even have a comment right here about what I liked about it and the idea of making passive income. But at the time, this video, it had maybe 30 views. And I went down and, it was mine and maybe one other review at the time. And then I went down here and I noticed for a video that has 133 views total, there's this one comment down here by Elizabeth Parker. And it talked about investing in Bitcoin. And in Bitcoin is not even what this particular video is about. And it had 18 likes and 31 replies. And like more replies to this comment than there were just about the same amount of views on the video. It's crazy. And you click through here, and it's actually the same type of scheme I just showed you, Ali. Talks about Bitcoin, crypto, and then they start putting this professional, Mr. John. And it's kind of funny. You read through this, you can see Mr. John, and you see the space because they did a little copy and paste. US dollars, USD, is obviously the best. And they start changing his name. He's not Mr. John, now he's Expert John. How do I contact him? And of course, you run through here, and look, it's just the same scheme that we just saw. Oh, WhatsApp, amazing, boom, 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 call him up. And these are all different names than we saw before. But what really, really, really did it for me was the person who's giving this Bitcoin advice, Elizabeth Parker. I had to look at this. And I tell you, if this lady right here is a Bitcoin expert, I really don't understand people at all. I mean, they could have maybe picked someone who looked like they do stock investing. I don't think Elizabeth Parker, who are there and try to implement, is a Bitcoin expert. I just don't see it. No offense to anyone who looks like this. I'm sure you're a great person. All right. Those are my scams. You see that? What do you want to do about it? You go in there, you report those folks, get rid of them. Don't fall for these scams. Don't go to, it's against the guidelines to go to another off YouTube platform from within YouTube, unless you're doing it directly through what the person who made the video is doing. Okay? Don't fall for these. All right. A big announcement. I'm going to go to my channel page. I'm going to let you know that I am decided to niche down. Right now, I've been making videos about YouTube, about finance. This is like scams, eBay. Been real interested in those. I decided that to kind of help the people who come to this channel and know what to expect, I'm going to just do Sudoku videos from now on the Smart Hobbies channel. I think that'll help build a subscriber base. It'll help people who come to this channel to know and get what they're expecting, because maybe if you're coming here for Sudoku and you get an eBay video, it may not make sense to you. So you'll see Smart Hobbies switch to just Sudoku videos. And my tutorials are the hottest thing I have going. I believe I'm providing some valid input for folks who can't find the information anywhere else. There's also some other great Sudoku channels that I want to collaborate with moving forward. And I think it'll helpful if my channel is just primary Sudoku. I do plan to continue making tutorial type videos about eBay, and I'll probably start or launch another channel for that sometime next year. Those of you who have been watching my channel, thank you for the support. I know I've got a lot of other people, small creators, big creators. The comments are amazing. I love it. I just realized this is my last video that's going to be not about Sudoku for this channel. So if you want to learn about Sudoku, check out my tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and supporting what I have. And that's all I have for today. Have a great day.